We are a full-service architectural firm. We have multiple studios. I happen to be in the civic studio, so I do public projects. This is the Collaborative Life Sciences building. It's a partnership between Oregon Health Sciences University and the Oregon University System. The Oregon University System has sub-partners with Portland State University and Oregon State University. This is a 650,000 square foot allied health building which has science laboratories from Portland State University and then also multiple medical programs from Oregon Health Science University. So we're also relocating the dental school to the top floors of Scordy's Tower. So state-of-the-art medical simulation labs for doctors, nurses, and future pharmacists. We won this project through a RFP process. The project had gone through several development teams and had some false starts, but the end project date had never slipped. So the start of the project had compressed the schedule. There's 40 subcontractors. Just sharing that information and being able to control it is key.
When we first all got together, we all had different tools. And Sarah Architects brought in Smartsheet. And what we did was we tried to pick the best of all those tools and select the ones we were going to use for the project. Kind of the criteria we used is it's got to be fairly inexpensive, it needs to be very user-friendly and just be inherently easy. Smartsheet ended up being one of those tools that we chose. It was a kind of a joke around here that anything that was kind of chaotic or need to be organized, we'd create a Smartsheet for it. Everything from organizing our purchases, to our meeting minutes, to scheduling, even organizing our barbecues, things like that. We had a Smartsheet for those things.
One thing that it really helped us early on with was tracking our comments on design. We had so many comments and we were trying to track red lines of our reviews of the construction documents that we would articulate those into Smartsheet and have the design team lead track back to us on each one and comment whether it could be included or was being included in the design, why it couldn't be, or if they disagreed or agreed.
The city would send a Word document. I would load those into Smartsheet along with the original check sheets, and then we could share those with our design partners and other consultants and write their comments into Smartsheet, and then we could export it, format that document, and send it back to the city. It just helped control the information.
Another huge advantage of Smartsheet is the update portion of it, where I need an update on this line. I can email that and say, please update me on what's going on here. Rather than having to pull up files, attachments, whatever. It's all right there, it's very convenient.
Since people can see Smartsheet anywhere they have a web connection, they're able to look at documents on their desktop at work, they can see it on their tablet, they can see it at their home computer. I think Smartsheet is an excellent communication tool. The exchange of information and the way that it's exchanged is, I think, the way that modern businesses operate.